This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, TV, DVD player, air conditioning, awning, oven, stove top burner, leveling jacks, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 BH is 8,345 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.